I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on 3 dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now here search and select Moosend. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for the API key. Please visit Moosend API console. Now go to Setting on the top right corner. Then click on API key under Setting. Copy this and paste it on the authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose Method. Then choose List. Now map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Moosend. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now let's go to the Moosend. Here is the data that came into Moosend through the integration. Thanks for watching.